Here we will review the Home Buying Affordability tab. This tab uses common strategies to calculate home affordability. These strategies include taking a percentage of your gross income, using your debt-to-income ratio, the gross income multiplier, and taking a percentage of your net income. You may see some errors initially, but these will correct themselves as we enter our data. Let's start by inputting our gross and net incomes. Next, we'll make some assumptions about what our expenses will look like once we become homeowners. Now let's fill in the initial deposit table. For example, if we're selling our current home, we'll enter those values here. Moving down to the monthly household debt obligations, we'll input our debt load, and finally, we'll fill in the mortgage details. Below these tables, you'll find the gross income housing allocation percentage, the debt-to-income ratio percentage, the net income housing allocation percentage, and the gross income multiplier used. Once we've entered all the data, the sheet will automatically calculate the least expensive home price using the various methods. You can also review the output of each method, complete with a breakdown of all the relevant information. This concludes the Home Affordability tab review. If you have any questions, please send us a message. Enjoy managing your finances.